Welcome back to the Advanced LangChain series. In our last few tutorials, we mastered memory. Today, we put it all together to build the ultimate intelligent agent, a RAG agent with conversation memory. We're tackling two key problems: giving our agent an up-to-date knowledge base via RAG and ensuring it maintains conversational context when asking follow-up questions. We'll implement a custom class that intelligently merges conversation history with document retrieval. Let's quickly set up our environment. We install LangChain packages, including components for embedding and vector stores. We use the powerful and fast Groq LLM, like the Llama 370 billion model, which is ideal for the rapid multi-step calls this RAG agent will require. The first pillar of our agent is the RAG system. We define a simple knowledge base, docs, detailing the core concepts of LangChain. We then process this knowledge, splitting the text into smaller chunks, embedding those chunks using a Hugging Face model, and storing them in a FAISS vector store. This vector store, exposed as a retriever, is the agent's external brain, giving it knowledge beyond its training data. The second pillar is the agent logic and memory. We implement the RAGWithMemory class, bringing together the LLM, the retriever, and the chat history list. The key innovation is the contextualize question method. When a user asks a simple follow-up, like "How does it work?" this method takes the original chat history and the new query, sends it to the LLM, and asks the LLM to rewrite it into a standalone searchable question. For example, what is LangChain RAG and how does that work? This ensures the retriever gets a perfect query every time. Let's begin the conversation. Our first question is direct. What is LangChain? The RAG system retrieves the relevant document chunks and uses the LLM to provide a full, accurate answer based on the provided context. Now, a challenge for our agent. The user asks, how does it help with memory? The agent must remember that it refers to LangChain. Internally, the contextualize question function is hard at work, transforming this ambiguous question into a clear query, retrieving the correct document, and providing a contextual answer. The agent successfully maintains the conversation thread. Let's try another one. What about RAG? How does that work? Again, the agent uses its memory to relate RAG to LangChain's approach, contextualizes the query, retrieves the specific documents defining RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation, and explains the concept of combining document retrieval with language model generation. Finally, let's inspect the entire conversation history. We now have a comprehensive log of the entire multi-turn interaction, including the initial question, the contextualized questions, and all the RAG-generated answers. This persistent, context-rich history is what makes our RAG agent so powerful and usable over time. In summary, by combining RAG for external knowledge and a contextualization step with conversational memory, we've built an agent that is knowledgeable, conversational, and effective in multi-turn Q&A. This is the gold standard for many LLM applications.